Welcome to the heart of New York City, Times Square. This is where the city never sleeps, the lights never dim, and the energy is absolutely electric. And right in the center of it all is one of the most iconic hotels in the city, the New York Marriott Marquis. If you've ever dreamed of waking up to sweeping views of Times Square, being steps away from Broadway, and experiencing luxury in the middle of the madness, this one's for you. Let's check it out. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by a modern upscale vibe. The lobby sits on the 8th floor, which you reach via express elevators. And check this out. They're glass elevators that give you a dramatic ride up with views of the hotel's massive atrium. Check-in with a friendly staff was smooth and efficient, and we were excited to see what views we were getting in our room. Before taking a tour of our Corner King room, I want to answer a common question we are asked all the time. How do we get the best rates on our hotel stays? The answer? We used Planin.com to save quite a bit of money on our bookings. Planin.com is a new booking website that partners with familiar platforms like Booking.com, Agoda, and Priceline to bring you even more discounts on different hotels worldwide. For example, let's look at pricing for several hotels around Times Square for a 2-night stay for 2 adults on August 26th through the 28th using Planin.com. Check out this huge 40% discount at the Millennium Hotel Broadway, Times Square. Or how about getting 20% off standard rates at the popular Margaritaville Resort Times Square? M Social Hotel Times Square gets a decent 31% off its already low rates, while New York Hilton Midtown gets a sizable 29% off. So what's the catch? You have to be a Planin member and logged in to be able to access these discounts. But the best part is that being a member is completely free. All you have to do is sign up for a free account and be logged in to Planin to access these discounts. If you sign up using our referral link in the description or scanning the QR code, you really help out our channel and allow us to bring you more hotel videos like this. Now let's get back to our tour. Now let's check out our room on the 12th floor. Let's check out room 1224. Here at the Marriott Marquis in Times Square, New York City. This is a king corner room. It's a very spacious room. So first, let's take a look on this side. There's a very nice office desk, big screen TV, and plenty of shelves and drawers for storage. Let's see what's down here, see if there's a safe. No safe in here, it's just all open drawers. There's an ice bucket here and a couple of glasses. Here's a coffee maker, and the coffee and tea is inside this box. And a small fridge with nothing inside it. And we have a pretty spectacular view of Times Square below. So this would be the perfect hotel to stay at for New Year's. There's a single chair here for lounging, and this sofa is actually, it has a sofa bed, so you can sleep 2 more people in here. All right, so I've set up the sofa bed, and this comes with a memory foam mattress, which is actually comfortable compared to the other crappy ones at other hotels you've stayed at. So there's a bench right there, and the king-size bed. There's plenty of lighting in this room, so it's very bright. And on this clock, there's some plugs there for your devices. And there's more plugs on this side also, where the phone is, to charge your phone or computer. Here's a vanity with a backlit mirror for the ladies. And this closet, it's your standard closet. It has an ironing board, and the iron is on this side. There's an iron right there, extra blanket and pillow, and a safe. It's a pretty large safe. So nice and spacious for your items to keep them secure. And now let's check out the bathroom. It's a large backlit mirror with a single sink. And here's the products to use here. They use This Works. There's the toilet and the walk-in shower. And here's the products again, the This Works products. So this is a very nice room, very spacious, which can sleep up to 4 people here at the Marriott Marquis in Times Square, New York City. One of the hotel's biggest claims to fame is the view, New York City's only revolving rooftop restaurant and lounge. It's located on the 48th floor and makes a full 360-degree rotation every hour, so you're literally dining with a view that changes with every bite. Our dining experience began with complimentary breadsticks, setting the tone for a memorable meal. We enjoyed this flavorful crab cake for our appetizer. For the main course, we ordered a perfectly seared medium rare steak and a large juicy hamburger. We ended our meal with a classic New York cheesecake. Every bite was delicious, and we highly recommend dining at the View for a couple's date night. Revel and Rye is a stylish bar and restaurant serving elevated American cuisine, craft cocktails, and a top-tier whiskey selection, perfect for relaxing in the heart of Times Square. The Broadway Lounge offers a stylish, elevated dining experience with panoramic views of Times Square. It serves inventive cuisine inspired by global street food and features chic interiors, outdoor terraces, and a lively atmosphere perfect for cocktails and casual gatherings. If you're looking for one of the best places to celebrate New Year's Eve, the Perch Outdoor Terrace might be the perfect place. This exclusive elevated spot offers direct, unobstructed views of the iconic Times Square ball drop, along with a premium open bar, gourmet buffet, live entertainment, and a midnight champagne toast. If you're looking for grab-and-go options, stop by the marketplace. Souvenirs, clothing, and plenty of other essential items are also sold here for your convenience. Guests can enjoy complimentary hot breakfast, all-day snacks, evening hors d'oeuvres, and dedicated workspaces at the M Club. Access is complimentary for Platinum, Titanium, and Ambassador Elite Bonvoy members, while others may purchase daily access. New York City experts, located right by the M Club, conveniently offer sightseeing tours, Broadway and sporting event tickets, transportation, and foreign currency exchange. Starbucks, located on the first floor, offers a convenient spot to grab on-the-go snacks and drinks before heading out to explore the city. Marriott Marquis features a spacious 4,000 square foot fitness center on the 23rd floor, offering panoramic city views. Open 24/7 with keycard access, it boasts over 40 pieces of state-of-the-art live fitness equipment, including treadmills, Peloton bikes, ellipticals, and strength machines. The FedEx Office Business Center, located on the 7th floor, offers a comprehensive range of services to meet guests' business and convention needs. Open daily, the center provides copying, digital printing, professional finishing, signs, computer rentals, and corporate print solutions. The hotel boasts over 100,000 square feet of versatile event space, making it a premier destination for meetings, conferences, and grand celebrations in Times Square. Each space is equipped with state-of-the-art audio-visual technology and offers customizable layouts to suit various event needs. The Marquis Theatre, located on the 3rd floor, is the only Broadway theater located entirely within a hotel. With a seating capacity for 1,600 guests, the theater features both orchestra and mezzanine levels, ensuring clear sightlines and a comfortable viewing experience for all attendees. Our stay at the New York Marriott Marquis was truly unforgettable. Located right in the heart of Times Square, the hotel offered breathtaking city views and effortless access to everything New York City has to offer. We dined at the world-class View restaurant, relaxed in our spacious room, and even caught a couple of Broadway shows just minutes away. We were also able to witness Midnight Moment in Times Square. It's a nightly digital art show where synchronized billboards display a 3-minute video art piece from 11:57 p.m. to midnight, transforming the crossroads into a giant outdoor gallery. Not many people know about this unique experience, so we recommend checking it out if you get the chance. With exceptional service, top-tier amenities, and unbeatable convenience, this has easily been our favorite hotel experience in New York City. We highly recommend it for anyone who wants to be at the center of all the action. Thank you for watching. Drop a comment below if this is going on your New York City bucket list. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our weekly videos.